Namaste BioFod crew. We are back for another brain bender. We are diving deep into the blueprints of life with a unit to recap: structural organization in plants and animals. Picture this: your brain is a biological architect, and we are handing you the blueprints. Grab your pencils, maybe some plant-based snacks, and get ready to reconstruct Unit 2 in your mind. Let's build some knowledge. Let's get our bio build on. Unit 2: Structural Organization in Animals and Plants. Unit 2 includes chapters 5 to 7. Chapter 5: Morphology of Flowering Plants. Key topics: root, stem, leaf. Inflorescence, flower, fruit, seed. Semi-technical description of a flowering plant. Description of some important families. Morphology of plants. Root system. Types of roots. Taproot, example, dicot plants like mango. Fibrous root, example, monocot plants like grass. Adventitious root, example, banyan tree. Modifications of roots. Storage roots, example, carrot, radish. Prop roots, example, banyan tree. Respiratory roots, example, mangroves. Mnemonic, TPA, tap, prop, adventitious. Stem. Functions: mechanical support, conduction, photosynthesis in some plants. Modifications. Storage, example, potato, ginger. Tendrils for climbing, example, grapevine. Thorns for protection, example, citrus. Leaf. Types of leaf: simple, mango, compound, neem. Venation, reticulate, dicots, parallel, monocots. Mnemonic, DR, MP, dicots reticulate, monocots parallel. Flower and its parts. Calyx, sepals, corolla, petals, and rhizium, male, gynoecium, female. Mnemonic, CCAG, calyx, corolla, and rhizium, gynoecium. Fruit. Simple fruit, mango. Aggregate fruit, strawberry. Multiple fruit, pineapple. Important families. Fabaceae, leguminosae, pea, gram. Solanaceae, potato family, tomato, brinjal. Liliaceae, lily family, onion, aloe. Mnemonic, FSL, Fabaceae, Solanaceae, Liliaceae. Chapter 6: Anatomy of Flowering Plants. Key topics: tissues, meristematic and permanent. Anatomy of root, stem, leaf. Secondary growth. Tissues in plants. Meristematic tissue, dividing tissue. Apical meristem at tips, helps in elongation. Intercalary meristem in grasses, regrowth. Lateral meristem increases girth, example, cambium. Mnemonic, AIL, apical, intercalary, lateral. Permanent tissue, non-dividing. Simple permanent tissue. Parenchyma storage, photosynthesis. Collenchyma provides flexibility. Sclerenchyma provides strength. Mnemonic, PCs, parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. Complex permanent tissue. Xylem, water conduction. Phloem, food transport. Mnemonic, XP, xylem phloem. Anatomy of dicot and monocot plants. Feature dicot, monocot. Root, taproot, fibrous. Stem, vascular bundles in a ring, scattered vascular bundles. Leaf, reticulate, venation, parallel venation. Mnemonic, DRMP, dicot, root, monocot, parallel. Secondary growth. Vascular cambium produces secondary xylem and phloem. Cork cambium produces outer protective layer, bark. Mnemonic, VC, vascular, cork cambium. Chapter 7: Structural Organization in Animals. Key topics: animal tissues. Morphology and anatomy of cockroach. Animal tissues. Epithelial tissue, covering and lining tissue. Simple epithelium, squamous, cuboidal, columnar. Compound epithelium, multiple layers, example, skin. Mnemonic SCC, squamous, cuboidal, columnar. Connective tissue, binding tissue. Loose CT, areolar, adipose. Dense CT, tendons, ligaments. Specialized CT, blood, bone, cartilage. Mnemonic LDS, loose, dense, specialized. Muscle tissue, movement tissue. Skeletal muscle, voluntary, striated. Smooth muscle, involuntary, non-striated. Cardiac muscle, heart. Mnemonic SSC, skeletal, smooth, cardiac. Nervous tissue, signal transmission tissue. Neurons conduct impulses. Neuroglia support neurons. Morphology and anatomy of cockroach. External morphology. Segmented body, head, thorax, abdomen. 3 pairs of legs, 2 pairs of wings. Mnemonic 3L to W, 3 legs, 2 wings. Digestive system. Mouth, pharynx, crop, storage, gizzard, grinding, midgut, hindgut, anus. Mnemonic MPCGMHA. Respiratory system. Spiracles, trachea, tracheose cells. Circulatory system. Open circulatory system. Blood, hemolymph, flows freely. Excretory system. Malpighian tubules, excretion. Nervous system. Brain, supraesophageal ganglia. Ventral nerve cord. Final mnemonic recap. Root types TPA, tap, prop, adventitious. Tissues in plants AIL, apical, intercalary, lateral. Dicot versus monocote DRMP, dicot, root, monocote, parallel. Animal tissues SCC, squamous, cuboidal, columnar. Muscle types SSC, skeletal, smooth, cardiac. Cockroach anatomy 3L to W, 3 legs, 2 wings. And that's a wrap on our unit to rebuild. Did you feel the structural integrity of your brain cells? I hope you are feeling solid. Check out description. We've got links to all the architectural blueprints, episodes, diagrams, and maybe even a secret tissue paper origami tutorial. Okay, maybe not that. Don't be shy, hit us up with comments and reviews. We love hearing from you, BioBuilders. Don't forget to subscribe to UD Lectures, or you'll miss the biological groundbreaking. Thanks for building with me on BioFod. Keep exploring, keep constructing, and keep being your awesome bio selves.